Mm-hmm. Oh, I tricked you there, hey pal.
What good?
A gift. This was a gift for a birthday for you.
This is my birthday present?
Yeah. This is a banana. You get to eat this birthday party.
Okay, so we have a potato chip and a cheeseburger. 2 slices of cheeseburger and a half a bun. Mmm.
And half banana.
And yum. Thank you. That
This
looks
is for
delicious.
you.
Thank you. That's such a nice birthday.
Eat it.
Thanks.
You want to eat it now?
Sure.
I take the candle off.
You did?
Yeah, here you can.
Did you already sing happy birthday or are you going to do that now?
What?
I think you can right now. I think you can eat it right now. Can you eat it right now?
Well, don't you have to sing happy birthday first?
No. I don't have to. Before you can.
Uncle takes good care of your head. Oh yeah.
Carson, is that good? Carson, is that good? Hmm? You like that?
That's it. It's all gone.
Drink a water. You need to drink a water. There's nothing in there, buddy.